Did you know that most people unknowingly sabotage their burgers right from the start? It's true. Many home cooks make the mistake of overworking their meat. This squeezes out all the lovely juices, leaving you with a dry, tough burger. We've all been there, biting into a burger that's more like a hockey puck than a juicy delight. But fear not, my fellow food lovers. I'm here to guide you on a culinary adventure to burger perfection. Today we're diving deep into the heart of the matter, crafting the juiciest, most flavorful burger patty right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound burger brilliance. This isn't just about slapping some ground meat on a bun. It's about understanding the science behind a great burger. It's about respecting the ingredients and treating them with the love they deserve. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Why is mastering the burger patty so important? Well, it's the heart and soul of your burger, the star of the show. A juicy, flavorful patty can elevate your entire burger experience. On the other hand, a dry, bland one can leave you feeling disappointed. We've all faced those burger challenges: dryness, lack of flavor, crumbly textures. These are not just culinary mishaps. They are cries for help from your burger patty. They signal that something in the process needs tweaking. But don't worry, I'm here to help you crack the code. We'll explore common mistakes and how to avoid them, ensuring your next burger is a resounding success. Get ready to say goodbye to burger boredom and hello to burger bliss. Let's tackle those burger dilemmas head on. Dryness is often a result of using lean meat and overcooking. To combat this, we'll choose ground beef with a higher fat content. This will ensure a moist and juicy patty. Next, we'll address the flavor factor. Many people simply season their patties with salt and pepper, which is a good start. But why stop there? We can boost the flavor profile with simple additions like Worcestershire sauce for that umami kick, or even a touch of smoked paprika for a hint of smokiness. Lastly, let's talk texture. A good burger patty should have a nice crust on the outside while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. Achieving this perfect balance depends on the cooking method and temperature, which we'll delve into in the next section. So stay tuned. Section 4. The art of crafting the perfect patty. First things first, choose the right meat. Opt for ground beef with a fat content of around 20%. This fat will render during cooking, keeping your patties juicy and flavorful. Now let's talk seasoning. Don't be shy with the salt and pepper, they are your flavor foundations. Here's a little trick. Make a small indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This helps the patties cook evenly and prevents them from plumping up like footballs on the grill. Now, gently shape the meat into patties, ensuring they are not packed too tightly. Remember, we want those juices to flow freely. Now comes the fun part, cooking. But before we fire up the grill, I have a secret to share that will take your burger game to the next level. Section 5. Jamie's juicy secret revealed. Are you ready for this? The secret to the juiciest burger patty lies in resting the meat. That's right. After shaping your patties, cover them and let them rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This allows the proteins to relax, resulting in a more tender and juicy burger. Now let's talk cooking. You can grill, pan fry, or even bake your patties. The key is to cook them over medium-high heat for a nice crust on the outside. Avoid pressing down on the patties with a spatula, as this will squeeze out all those precious juices. Use a meat thermometer to ensure your patties are cooked to your liking. A temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius is perfect for a juicy, slightly pink center. And there you have it, my secret to the juiciest burger patty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.